Well, while I was starting to do my laundry, I saw two bunnies playing, and I want to try to get it on video. But I don't know if they'll do it now. I guess you probably just have to wait for a while. Well, you could tell it's spring now, because the bunnies are out and birds are out, but I don't think you see the birds in the video. And there's a deer all the way back there. If you can see it, you kind of can. So yeah, we have a couple of different animals outside of our backyard. Deers, bunnies, birds. You can really tell it's spring, and Lacey, she's sleeping right now. Well, you guys watch the video while I turn on the... Oh. I turned on the washer. As you can see, a bunny's looking at us now. And there the bunny comes towards us. Now I'm just waiting for the deer to come out so you can see the deer in the video. Right there. You can see the deer now. Well, let's get back to our bunnies. I'm just waiting for that deer to come out. Oh, we have a deer over here now. There's the bunny. There's the bunny. So, as you can see, we have a couple different animals now. There's our bunny, our deers, and our birds. Right over there, you could probably see the black dot. There comes our bunny, coming closer. I don't know how long this video probably won't go on that long, but we're going to see if we could get our deer out here and see if we can get the bunny to come closer to us. Oh, there's a deer right there. Right there. You can see him now. Or her. Yeah, it's a her. We're just waiting for the one back there to come out for us so we can get the video.